Hello children, we are learning tear and paste activity today. For this activity, you need drawing sheet, some paper. You can take any origami sheet, any color, or you can take any magazine, old magazine, but it should be colored, and newspaper waste, any colored paper from the newspaper. First, you need to draw something on your sheet. So, I draw one helicopter for you. You can draw and outline it. Try to draw a bold image because we are using paper on it, so it should be bold and clear. Children, you can think about coloring first. If you want to color your helicopter with orange color, so you need orange paper first, and you start pasting with the small area. Apply glue and start pasting. Take small papers of your origami sheets and paste them near the outline first. As we do coloring, children, like that, you will paste paper near the line first. After that, you can fill the center part. Try to fill neatly. Apply glue when required. For the small area, you can use the small pieces. According to the space, you will require big and small pieces, children. So be patient and do neatly. You can complete your image in 2-3 breaks. You can take small breaks in between, children, but do your work neatly. Will take time to complete this activity. If you want, you can add some shades, as you can give pink shade with it. You can add 2 shades in one image, two or more than. apply glue after the paper also, because it will be fixed properly. After completing your work, you can take shade, you can change the shade. If you think that outside area is too big to pasting paper, you can color the image outside. After completing your helicopters, children, you can paste a small piece of square in it. Now complete window part with blue color. Again, you can apply some glue on the paper to fix it properly. If you find some area is left, you can cover it. No need to worry, no need to haste. You can finish your work slowly and neatly. After completing this, children, if you want, you can paste blue color outside also to show the sky, clouds. Yes, children, for the sky or background, you can apply some colors. Any medium you have, you can use oil pastels, crayons, poster colors, whatever you have to complete your background. Let it dry, children, for 2-3 minutes. Then you can add some clouds. You can cut them with the white sheet or silver sheet if you have, and paste them in the sky. Students, you can see this sheet also. I prepared it for you. You can use blue paper to complete the background, but it will take time. You can do it after taking some breaks, and you can decorate your drawing according to your choice. If you have some decorative material, you can beautify it. Thank you so much.